Today we're adding two external antennas to the LILYGO T-Embed CC1101. Since I don't have a battery installed anymore, mine started to swell, so I removed it as a safety precaution. I'm going to use two existing holes in the back of this case to mount my antenna connectors. First, carefully separate the front of the case. I'm using a razor blade to gently work around the edge and lift the front panel off. You don't have to do this, but it makes getting the tiny U.FL connectors much easier. Just go slow so you don't damage anything. Once you have it open, locate the top U.FL connector. That's the CC1101 sub-gigahertz radio. Carefully disconnect it and attach one of your U.FL or IPEX to RP-SMA pigtail adapters. Next, find the U.FL connector that's closest to the ESP32 chip, right in the corner. That's the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. Disconnect it and connect your second U.FL to RP-SMA pigtail there. Leave the third connector labeled RF alone. That's for the onboard NFC antenna, so we won't be able to touch that one. Now feed both pigtail cables through the two existing holes in the back of the case. Secure your RP-SMA connectors and attach your external antennas and reassemble the T-Embed. That's all there is to it. You now have external antennas connected to the CC1101 radio and the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, all without having to drill any new holes in the case. Only if you don't have a battery in it.